Hey everybody, hope you're doing well today. This is Kevin Walters with Kevin Auto's channel. And well, today I wanted to do a little fun video. Wanted to build a Mustang online. As many of you know, I'm talking about when we get the Honda back from the body shop to trade it in once all the negative equity is paid off on it and go get a new Mustang GT. So wanted to go through a build today, show you exactly what I'm looking for. If I could find it with real low miles once I get ready to get it used and save 10 to 15,000 on it, that would be even better. But we'll see. I've got a specific build that I want, so let's get into it and see what we can do. So I am on Ford's website, and I've gone to the Mustang and build your own. So let's begin and build the Mustang. Of course, I want to go with a GT Premium, just because of the different options you can get. Now, as far as color goes, there's three colors I'm going between. One is Kona Blue. I love the deep blue of Kona. Velocity Blue is also beautiful. It's got a very nice metallic to it. And then magenta, or not magenta, but magnetic gray. But for right now, my first instinct is to go Velocity, just because I've had a dark blue Mustang before. Then we're going to go to, like I said in the other video, the 10-speed automatic, the 10R80. I want to go with that just for the simple fact that it is faster. As far as packages go, the 400A package is very nicely equipped, but I want that 12-inch LCD digital instrument cluster. So I've got to go with the 401A package, which is an extra $2,200. The black accent package is not available on the GT Performance package, which I do want. It comes with a lot of options. You get bigger tires and wheels, Brembo brakes in the front. You get the K-brace, you get the Torsen differential with 355 ratio for an automatic. So that is definitely what I want to add, and that is almost $4,000 extra. Then as far as the exterior options go, of course, I do like the wheels that are included on the Performance package. One, I do want the active valve Performance exhaust. This will go from, it lets you go from quiet to track exhaust sounds. So you can just have it any way you want it. If you want it loud, if you want it quiet. The MagneRide suspension, I've heard a lot of good things about it. It changes 1,000 times per second as you're going down the road, so it's constantly active. So and it does good in drag racing also, so I do want to add that. A lot of things are included with the 401A package. With the Performance Pack 1, you do get summer-only tires, so you can run those as long as it's 40 degrees or above. As far as the interior goes, depending on what color exterior paint I get is going to determine what I get as far as leather goes. I'm debating between, if I get a blue Mustang, to go with the midnight blue interior. And that does not mean that the whole interior is blue. It just means that It has some blue accents in the in the perforations, and the stitching is blue. So it's just more of an accent thing than a pure blue interior goes. And then I do, of course, I love the look of a clean ebony black interior. It's very clean. It's very, very nice. So for the sake of this, though, we'll just stick with the ebony for right now. The Recaro seats are okay. I've heard a lot of people say there's just not enough bolstering in them to go with that option. So just standard seats is what I'd want. As you can see, there's a lot of things already included. Thought about getting the floor liners that are sort of WeatherTech-esque, but I can always add those if I do decide to get those. And those are just, it's $120 for the front and the rear. I could probably get WeatherTechs for the same. So we're going to keep on going. The B&O sound system, I haven't really decided on it yet. It's they say it's really nice, but that is an extra $895. Like I said, it just depends on if I can find it with it already in it, and it's just part of it, that's fine. But it's not really one of my priorities, is the B&O sound system. So, you know, from my experience, the ones that come in them are perfectly fine. This is going to be mainly a racing, drag racing car. So, and it does come with the voice activated navigation also included with the Sync 3 system. As far as the accessories they offer, there's really nothing that I want. Louvers, speakers that you can put on the side, and stuff like that, and first aid kits, and so nothing I want to add there. So as far as a summary goes, we're looking at a price of $49,330 for this build. I know that sounds steep. I will not pay that price for it, even though that's what would be on the Moroni sticker. That's not what I'm paying for this car. I would be looking at low 40s at the most to pay for this car. As far as a payment goes, you know, if I go 72 months, 5% interest, and put five grand down on it, we're going to be looking at a payment each month of around $720. Especially with this car, with the engine tick problems and everything and stuff, I probably would add a warranty. But you can see, you know, you got the 401A package, the GT Performance package, Magna Ride, active valve, exhaust. So yeah, we're looking at $49,330 for a Moroni sticker price, $714 a month. So I would be looking at, if I got it in the low 40s, probably around $650 a month, probably at the most. So that's what we're looking at right now. That's my goal, like I said, is to get that. So that's my goal. I've been doing a lot of research, and I mean a lot. I've watched so many YouTube channels. You got Xander 13, you've got Stang Mode, you've got Gold Pony, you got HTX Stang. All those channels I've been watching. Rush Shift for a manual perspective. And all of them, you know, all the guys love their Mustangs. There's a mix of 2018s and 2019s in that group of YouTubers, and so far, you know, none of them, I don't think, have the engine tick problem. So that is getting better with time. I know 2018 was the Gen 3 for the 5.0. So they've worked out a lot of bugs for 2019. Hopefully they will work out a lot more for 2020. And they will hopefully also have the 3/4 shift fork problem in the 6-speed manual worked out also. Basically, they need to take that aluminum out and put something stronger in for those 3/4 shift forks. But it may be one of those things where it's easier said than done. So that's what I'm looking at right now for a build. That's, if I could find a perfect Mustang, that would be the way I would want the Mustang. And like I said, I'm still debating on color, whether I want the Kona blue or Velocity blue or the magnetic gray metallic. So I guess it's going to come down to wherever I can find that car in that configuration, whatever color of those three it's in. That's probably what I would go with. I would be happy with all three of those colors would be fine with me. But that's what I'm looking at, and that's my goal. Like I said, pay the negative equity off of that car, of the Honda, and get out from under it and get into something that I'm going to love, I'm going to enjoy, I'm going to have fun with, and I'm going to enjoy getting in every day to drive. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this fun little build we did on the internet today on Ford's website. And we're going to slowly but surely make this happen. If you know me, you know that once I put my mind to something and I get focused and locked on, I'm going to make it happen one way or the other. So, like I said in the last video, hopefully sooner than later, this will happen. And once we get this Mustang, we're going to have some great content to put up. We're going to have some great videos, great setup as far as camera angles and all. I've got a lot of ideas going through my mind right now, what I want to do, taking it to a track, seeing what it can do, mod it, then see what it can do then. So we're just going to have fun.